Welcome to Neon Cobra. Let's kick into it. This week, we're going to talk about the change in Azure CSP incentives for indirect resellers. So, those would traditionally be most MSPs in the small to medium category. So, previously, we've seen a lot of changes to the Microsoft Cloud AI Partner Program, or MCAIPP for short, if you can call that short. And some of the biggest changes were the new threshold requirements to hit the additional credits and incentives on the back end, right? So previously you could do silver or gold and unlock everything, and then you had to go into solution designations. So predominantly the three we would normally see would be infrastructure, data and AI, and digital and app innovation. And behind these, you'd kind of gate an additional 4% on Azure consumption, 10% on Azure reservations and savings plans, including some additional growth accelerators around specific products. So as of October 1st, there is a brand new kind of model or program in play. And this is you can still go down the solution designation route, but we have the ability to be eligible for these incentives and rebates by just having a minimum of 25 in capability score within one of those three solution designations. So this would be anything from your growth, your certification and skilling, your net new customer ads. So as long as you're maintaining a minimum of 25 points, you will receive the earning incentives and rebates and co-ops on the other side. Now remember, that is a 60-40 split, right? So 60 of it will be an indirect rebate, 40% of it will be a co-op funding to be used on additional kind of collateral and marketing to grow that vertical essentially. Now, the trade off for this is there are new payout rates. So we've seen a reduction in CSP consumption payouts from 4% to 3%. And the big one is we've seen the reservation payouts from reservations and savings plans from 10 to 3. So while previously you would receive 0% unless you had a solution designation, now you can at least retire 3% if you have the appropriate accreditations and growth. So a mild adjustment to this, right? It's going to be easier for people to qualify for this stuff, but you're going to find in time that the bigger payouts may have been better suited if you were a larger shop. So I'll post some updated information below as far as what it takes to get that. And with that, we'll catch you next time.